Hello, Grandpa here. It's strawberry season here on Long Island, and I thought I'd make a strawberry pie. Also, Grandma likes strawberries, and she hasn't had a strawberry pie in a long time. The ingredients are 1 quart of cut up washed strawberries, 1 cup of sugar, 2½ tablespoons of flour, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I have already made a pie crust. I will post a link to my pie crust video below. The first thing I have to do is mix the sugar and the flour together. This is a 100-year-old recipe. Okay, that's all mixed together. Now I'm going to mix the sugar and flour to the strawberries. I want to coat all the strawberries. I'll make sure they all have some flour and sugar on them. We mixed it up a little bit. Now we're going to add our lemon juice. The lemon juice helps brighten up the flavor of the strawberries. The sugar brings some of the juices out, and the flour helps to thicken the mixture. This is what we have, a nice thick filling. I'm going to preheat the oven to 450. Now I'm going to fill up my pie crust with the filling. The noise you hear in the background is my oven preheating. This looks good. I have to set it aside and make my top. I have some pie dough for a top crust. You can make a lattice, or you can make a solid top crust, or you can make whatever design you like. I rolled out my pie dough. Now I'm going to cut out 5 holes that are in the shape of a star. I'm brushing on water to the rim of the pie crust. Now I'm going to roll out the pie crust on the top. And press down the edges onto the rim, so it sticks to it. This looks very nice with the stars. I think Grandma will like it. I'm trimming the excess dough from the edges. Go around, tucking our edge again. This is a drip catcher. In case the pie overflows, it'll catch it on this pan. I put this pie in the center, and then this goes in the oven. I'm preheating my oven to 450 degrees, and we're going to put the pie in for 10 minutes. And then we're going to lower the temperature to 350 and bake for 35 minutes. We're putting our pie into the oven. I just took the pie out of the oven. Now I have to let it cool a while. How's it taste, Grandma?
I'll let you know in a minute, Pa. Strawberry. One of my favorite pies also. So good. It's still nice and warm. So flavorful. The strawberries are nice and sweet. And I enjoy this because it's still like warm right out of the oven.
How was the crust?
The crust is delicious.
The bottom didn't get soggy?
No, the bottom's not soggy at all. And the strawberries are nice and ripe. You can't beat a strawberry pie when strawberries are in season. Thank you, Grandpa, for making this delicious pie for me.
You're welcome, Ma.